Hi and welcome to E-ZTutoring. Today we are going to cover operations on functions. So these are your 4 different operations that you can do to any function. So first I will cover what these mean, and then we will actually go ahead and plug some numbers in to see how they work. So these may look a little bit confusing. F plus g of x. I know some people may think this is f plus g times x. But really all this is f of x plus g of x. This is just 2 different ways of writing it, and obviously this way makes a lot more sense because f of x is just a function and g of x is just a function. All you're doing is you're adding 2 functions together. That's it. So don't let this notation fool you. It is as simple as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So for f minus g of x, I'm sure you guys have guessed it, it is just f of x minus g of x. F times g of x, I'm sure you guessed it, it's f of x times g of x. And f over g of x is simply f of x over g of x. Alright, so that is what these compositions mean. Now, let's say we were actually given some examples here. Let's say that we were told that f of x is equal to x plus 9, and that g of x is equal to x squared, and we have to do each one of these operations for these 2 functions. So we'll go ahead and plug in. We know that f plus g of x is simply f of x plus g of x. So we'll simply take f of x, x plus 9, and we will add g of x, which is x squared, plus x squared. And you will want to look to see if you can combine any like terms. In this case, we can't. So just go ahead and put the leading degree out front so we can write it in order, and that would be your answer. Now, if we do f of x minus g of x, we'll get x plus 9 minus x squared. Now, you need to be very careful. If g of x happened to be longer, like a binomial or a trinomial, you would have to take this negative and distribute it to every single term in there, which is why I'm writing all of these in parentheses. In this case, the only one that's going to become negative is x squared, so our answer will be this after we move them around a little bit. Alright, f of x times g of x is simply x plus 9 times x squared. So all we do is distributive properties, since we're multiplying something into 2 terms. So we multiply this in the 9 and multiply this in the x, and we will get x cubed plus 9x squared. Last one is f of x over g of x, which is just x plus 9 over x squared, and that's as simplified as you can get. So that is how you do operations on functions. I hope this makes more sense now. If you guys ever want ACT or SAT tutoring, be sure to visit my website, www.e-ztutoring.com. Thank you guys and have a good day.